Welcome back, y'all. I'm about to craft. That's why my silicone mat is down and it's a mess because girl be working. I'm going to unmold these because I need this tray and I might want to use this tray. I don't know. I'm deciding. I have ideas bubbling and I need my things to make my things. I have two other square trays, but these are single holders and this one has 4. I have another one that's 4, but it's bigger. So yeah, so I'm gonna unmold these so that I can get this tray to use, possibly this one as well. And yeah, didn't even turn on the light. Let me change the camera angle and then we will unmold. We're gonna try a different angle because I want to see how this looks on camera, but I already like it better. Ooh, okay, we got a little incense holder here. Obviously I had a lot of this bronze left over and this is still soft. Oh my gosh, didn't I unmold this the other day? No, I didn't. It was another set. Put that off to the side there. Oof, this is in there. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me just take it out. All right, that one side. And this is, oh, joint in the middle. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one was like, this was like rubbery. I made this a minute ago. I think I'm gonna just pour some in the center here, so that it can stay. It's a much firmer than it was previously, and I'll just go around the edges with it, but I like how it turned out other than that. This is ridiculous. And this one, it's also bendy. So I'm just gonna pour some in the middle, just like one thin layer to like kind of reinforce the sturdiness of it. Then go around the edges on these. Me and my issue with taking these off. Okay, so got that. Let's squeeze this one down yonder. And let's start with this one. This is a Frankenstein. You can probably tell by the fact that there's like 3 different things going on here already on the outside here. Oh my gosh. All right, there we go. All I ever need is just one edge to come out and then we are in business. I just don't want to get cut again. There we go. Ooh. I'm always nervous when I use this tray specifically because of all the corners and things, like all the, because it's a dimensional thing. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. I don't know why, but this looked like money to me. But but yeah, because of like the angles and stuff, the edges sometimes get like really bubbly because the air doesn't go down. The air is like locked in the corners. Okay, I can't break this off because this is really thick, so I am going to do that later. But look at this, and we got a little glitter in there and it's green. The glitter is from this black that was left over from another tray, but I really like this. Oh my god, we're calling this candy apple. That's what it reminds me of, a candied apple. Oh, I like that. I don't know where the glitter come from, but candy apple, that's what we're calling her. And let's get this one here. Oh, I got a voice note. Excuse my ashy hands. Oh, okay. I think I like this angle better. I'm nervous about knocking this camera over, but I like this angle a lot. Oh, this is not what I intended, but I do not hate it. Oh, I like this though. I'm gonna remake it in another way, but I like this. Like, can you see the gold and the black? I have a name suggestion for this, but we're gonna wait until I send out my pictures. But I like this a lot. I like this. Yeah, I liking all my stuff, so I got biased opinion. I made them. They're all my children. I love no child more than the other. It's a lie, but yes. Okay, so let me go switch camera angles and we can wrap this up. All right, we got these. I love how clean this was. I didn't even mention that in the video, but I can't wait to satisfy my urge to clean these up. But I'm gonna hurt myself. But yes, why am I standing? Whatever. Anyways, we got 2 trays and 3 incense holders that we definitely have to clean up and do some alterations on those. These, however, are essentially perfect. Perfectly imperfect. But yeah, what am I looking at here? Oh, that's that. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to all of the things, Pointless Talks, Pointless Related, whatever. And just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.